Your skin isn't broken. It's screaming at you. And the worst part? Everything you're doing to fix it, the cleanser, the retinol, the ice bath at 6 a.m., is making it worse. Because nobody tells you the real reason your skin barrier keeps falling apart. It's not your products. It's not your diet. It's not even your skincare routine. The real cause has almost nothing to do with skincare at all. And once you understand what it is, the next 7 days could completely change how your face looks. I'll prove it first. Then I'll show you the exact protocol that finally got my skin back. For free. No products. No BS. 43 days. That's how long I avoided mirrors. Not because I was vain. Because every time I looked, I didn't recognize the guy staring back. Red patches across my cheeks. Skin so dry it cracked when I smiled. Flakes around my nose like I'd aged 20 years overnight. I was 22. I'd just started my first real job. During my first week, a coworker asked, in front of everyone, if I was feeling okay, because my face looked irritated. I laughed it off. Went to the bathroom, locked the door. Didn't laugh in there. You know that feeling when you're doing everything right, and your body still lets you down? I was training 6 days a week, eating clean, sleeping, or so I thought, and my skin looked like I was falling apart. So I did what every guy does. I attacked it. Salicylic acid cleanser, morning and night. A physical scrub, because you have to exfoliate the dead skin. Retinol, because every ad said it was the answer. Cold showers, because some guy online swore cold water tightens pores. Within 2 weeks, my skin wasn't just irritated. It was on fire, tight, cracking, burning every time water touched it. I'd turned my own skincare routine into a chemical assault, and I had no idea. Here's what nobody told me. Your skin barrier isn't something you scrub. It's something you regulate, and it takes its orders from one place: your nervous system. Let me explain why this changes everything. Your skin barrier has one job: keep water in, keep irritation out. When it's healthy, your skin looks calm, smooth, resilient. When it's damaged, you get redness, dryness, breakouts, and that tight sandpaper feeling. Now here's the part almost nobody talks about. Cortisol, your stress hormone, literally breaks down the lipids that hold your skin barrier together. Not figuratively, literally. Studies show that chronic stress and poor sleep increase water loss through your skin. In other words, your skin barrier starts leaking from the inside out. So if you're training twice a day, sleeping 5 hours to optimize, living on caffeine and pre-workout, wearing stress like it's a badge of honor, your body is flooding itself with cortisol every single day. Your skin barrier doesn't stand a chance. You could buy the most expensive skincare on earth. It wouldn't matter. You're rebuilding a wall, while your own body keeps tearing it down from the inside. This is why so many guys in their 20s, guys doing everything right, suddenly have skin that looks worse than it did at 16. It's not puberty anymore. It's chronic stress, poor recovery, and a skincare routine that's stripping your barrier faster than your body can rebuild it. And the cherry on top? Most skin fixes you've seen online make this worse. Over-cleansing, over-exfoliating, cold showers on your face. Every single one of them strips the exact lipid layer you need to rebuild. But here's where almost everyone ruins their recovery. They finally stop damaging their skin. Then they accidentally keep the inflammation alive somewhere else. That's why this protocol works differently. Not a 10-step routine, not $200 of serums, just 7 days, 4 moves, that's it. Rule 1. Stop stripping your skin. For 7 days, cut every active ingredient. No retinol, no acids, no scrubs. You're not giving up skincare. You're giving your skin permission to heal. Most people notice the burning starts fading within the first 2 or 3 days. Wash your face once a day. At night, lukewarm water. A gentle, fragrance-free cleanser. That's it. Nothing else touches your face. But here's where almost everyone gets it wrong. Stopping the damage isn't enough. If you don't rebuild the barrier, nothing changes. Rule 2. Feed the barrier. Don't just moisturize it. Your skin barrier is built from lipids, ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol. A simple ceramide moisturizer, morning and night while your skin is still damp, gives your barrier what it actually needs to rebuild. For a lot of people, this is when the tightness finally starts disappearing. This isn't about looking hydrated for an hour. It's about rebuilding your skin from the inside out, one day at a time. But none of that matters if your body keeps tearing the barrier down faster than it can rebuild it. That's where almost every skincare video ends. Rule 3. Attack the cortisol, not your skin. This is the step almost nobody talks about. For 7 days, protect your sleep like it's your job. Same bedtime. Phone away 30 minutes before. Dark room, cool room. Every bad night pushes cortisol higher. Every cortisol spike makes repairing your barrier harder. You're not just sleeping for muscle recovery, you're sleeping for your face. For most people, this is the first week they wake up without that dry, stretched feeling. Rule 4. Turn your training intensity down by about 20%, just for 1 week. I know that sounds backwards, but if you're constantly pushing your body without enough recovery, your skin pays the price too. For 7 days, let your body spend its energy on repair instead of survival. 1 week, not forever, just long enough for your skin to finally catch up. So what actually happens when you stop fighting your skin? Day 3. I caught myself rubbing my face out of habit. Then I realized it didn't hurt anymore, not healed. But my face didn't feel like it was cracking every time I smiled. Day 5. Something even stranger happened. I hadn't thought about my skin for almost the entire day. That hadn't happened in over a month. Day 7. I looked in the mirror, the same mirror I'd been avoiding for weeks. And for the first time, I didn't immediately look for what was wrong. It wasn't perfect. Skin doesn't heal in 7 days like a movie montage. But for the first time in weeks, my face actually felt like mine again. And that's the part nobody talks about. The goal isn't perfect skin. The goal is getting your confidence back without thinking about your skin every 5 minutes. You don't get that from another serum. You get it from finally giving your body what it was asking for all along. Nobody tells you this because buy this product sells a lot better than sleep more and stop attacking your face. Your skin was never fighting you. It was reacting to everything you were putting your body through. The stress, the overtraining, the sleep debt, the endless cycle of trying to fix damage by creating even more damage. Fix the inputs. Your skin takes care of the rest. The scary part? Most people will spend years changing products without ever fixing the thing that's actually damaging their skin. So next time you look in the mirror and think something's wrong with your skin, ask yourself what's actually wrong with your week. The coworker who asked if I was okay? 6 months later, she asked what skincare routine I was using. I told her the truth. I never changed my skincare. I changed what was destroying my skin.